Founded in 1983, Turbines Inc. has been designing and manufacturing reliable flow measurement devices for a broad range of industries and applications. We maintain a comprehensive inventory of flow meters from 3/8 of an inch to 10 inches in a variety of process connections for liquids, gases, and cryogenics. Each meter starts as raw bar stock, allowing us to select high-quality material and have oversight over each stage of the manufacturing process. Using state-of-the-art equipment, our experienced manufacturing team machines each component to our exact specifications and tolerances. Our in-house team handles every step of the manufacturing process, including welding, calibration, meter engraving, and more. All calibrations are NIST traceable, documenting the individual performance of each meter as a QA/QC measure. For a complete flow measurement system, we offer an extensive line of flow monitors. Our monitors are available as intrinsically safe or explosion-proof and can be meter or remote mounted. Once your order is complete, our warehouse and logistics team securely packages your order to facilitate an on-time shipment. Whether you are a repeat customer or it is your first time placing an order with us, we are here to help. Reach out to your sales representative or our product support team for assistance. Trust Turbines Inc. with all your flow measurement applications. Contact us today at 800-809-1387.